This is how to render without background as a DaVinci Resolve video editor. Let's start with the edit page. Render in place. Sometimes when you add heavy effects on a clip that you masked or removed its background, you want to render in place to get smooth playback, but this adds black background to the maxed out part. To prevent this, when you select render in place, set format to QuickTime. Choose any of these codecs: GoPro Cineform, RGB 16-bit, or DNxHR, DNxHR444, DNxHR444, or Apple ProRes, Apple ProRes 444. If your max was done in color page, you will see a little box that says Export Alpha. Tick the box and render the clip. In Fusion page, drag a background node and connect it to the media out. Select the background node, head to the Inspector tab. Under Color, Background, set Alpha channel to 0. Add a merge node between the background and media output node. Bring in anything you want to add and make sure it's being fed into the foreground of the merge node. Let's talk about the color page. Let's talk about transparent background for logos. Bring in your logo image in the edit page. If the background is different from the logo itself, head to the color page, select Qualifier tool and pick the background color. Add alpha output and connect the blue dot to the alpha output. Invert it by clicking the circle-like icon in the qualifier panel. Voila! In exporting with transparent background or to render without background, after masking or removing background, set in and out points of the segment you want to export. Go to the delivery page, select Custom Export, type in file name, under Format, choose QuickTime. Choose any of these codecs: Apple ProRes, Apple ProRes 444 or Apple ProRes 444 SQ, DNxHR or DNxHD. Choose DNxHR444. You can equally choose H.265 or GoPro Cineform together with RGB 16-bit. Then under frame rate, check Export Alpha box, add to render queue and render out. You can apply same technique after using magic marks in DaVinci Resolve to get transparent background. If you learned something, please give the video a like and subscribe for more.